In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a link in Google Docs quickly and easily. Whether you're creating a school assignment, sharing resources with your team, or you simply want to make your document more interactive and professional, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Google Docs file in your browser. Once your document is open, type the text that you want to turn into a clickable link. A lot of people like using something simple like "click here" or "read more," but you can use any phrase that fits your document. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, use your mouse to highlight the exact word or phrase you want to turn into a link. Once it's selected, right-click on the highlighted text. A small menu will appear, and you'll see an option labeled Link. Go ahead and click on it. You'll notice a small box appears on the screen. This is where you'll paste the URL you want to connect to your text. This could be a website, a Google form, a YouTube video, or even another document, anything you want your readers to access. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure the link you're copying is complete and begins with HTTPS, so that Google Docs recognizes it properly. Also, double-check that the website you're linking to is accessible and correct. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues. Once you've pasted your link into the box, click Apply. Your selected text will instantly turn blue and become underlined, showing that it is now an active hyperlink. From here, you can hover over it to preview the link or click the small pencil icon to edit it. After that, you should be able to click the link and jump straight to the website without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to test your link by opening it in a new tab, just to make sure everything works smoothly and the link takes you exactly where it should. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add a link in Google Docs easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?